How to deal with insurance companies after an accident. After a car accident in Queens, what you do in the first days can affect your claim and your recovery. You may need to deal with your own insurance company and possibly the other driver's insurer as well. The no-fault system in New York requires you to report the accident promptly and file a no-fault claim within 30 days. New York law generally requires you to file with your own auto insurance company for medical bills and lost wages, regardless of who caused the crash. This system is governed by Article 51 of the New York insurance law. Every vehicle owner must carry at least $50,000 in personal injury protection coverage. That coverage pays for basic economic loss, including necessary medical treatment, part of your lost income, and certain accident-related out-of-pocket expenses. These benefits may apply to drivers, passengers, and even pedestrians or cyclists struck by a motor vehicle. You do not need to prove the other driver was careless to receive no-fault benefits. You only need to show that the accident happened and that your injuries require treatment. The most important deadline is the 30-day rule for giving written notice to your no-fault insurer. The NF2 application for no-fault benefits is the most common way to satisfy that requirement. Medical treatment claims must generally be submitted within 45 days after services are rendered. Lost wage claims must generally be submitted no later than 90 days after the work loss is incurred. Other necessary expenses must also generally be submitted within 90 days after the expense is incurred or the service is provided. No-fault coverage usually pays medical expenses, 80% of lost wages up to $2,000 per month for up to 3 years, and up to $25 per day for certain other necessary expenses. It does not cover pain and suffering, emotional distress, vehicle repairs, or other property damage. Insurance companies often try to minimize claims by requesting recorded statements very soon after a crash. An adjuster may use a simple statement like, "I feel okay," to argue that your injuries are not serious. A lawyer can help you avoid mistakes when speaking with an insurance adjuster. Insurers may also challenge whether your treatment is necessary by sending you to an independent medical examination. They may also try to shift blame to you to reduce what they have to pay. To protect your claim, document the accident scene, get witness information, seek medical attention quickly, and keep copies of every insurance document. You should avoid broad medical authorizations because they may let the insurer search your full medical history for pre-existing conditions. If your claim is denied, you may be able to seek no-fault arbitration through the American Arbitration Association or file a complaint with the New York Department of Financial Services. For third-party claims, a denial may mean the insurer disputes fault, the seriousness of your injuries, or both, and a lawsuit may be necessary. An attorney can handle communications, gather evidence, meet deadlines, and evaluate whether a settlement offer truly reflects your losses. A lawyer and attorney from a law firm that understands New York car accident claims can also push back against EMA findings and comparative fault arguments. If you need guidance after a crash, the attorney and lawyer at L Sanchez Law Office, PC, a law firm located at 3706 82nd Street No. 304, Jackson Heights, New York, 11372, United States, can be reached at 646-701-7990.